everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my weekly spread for February. So I have here my Tombow red brush pen. I actually have no clue what I was thinking when I set up these boxes. I had one idea last week when I drew them during class. I was thinking of one theme, but then I totally switched it out right when I started writing. I didn't realize how big and wide these Tombows actually wrote, so I improvised and just wrote the 3 letters of each day of the week. Next, I'm taking my G2 pen in .38 and outlining those boxes. I was just about to cover them up, but I realized I might want to do something different and leave them open. So I went ahead and did all of the days of the week like this first. Now I'm going in with my Muji Eraser and erasing all of those pencil marks. Next, I'm going in with the same brush marker or the same brush pen and writing in the dates of the week. So I decided after when I did that I'm going to go ahead and just do those lines and fill in the box, because it kind of looked weird without them. So yeah, I went back in and I drew back the boxes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in some decorations. I wasn't sure what I was going to do after I had filled in those boxes, but I decided to kind of do some hanging hearts for this month since it's the month of love. So what I'm doing is I'm just making really random lines. These don't have to be perfect since they're hanging, and they're kind of cute when they're not perfect. Next, I'm getting my mild liners that I have to fill in all of my schedule for the week. I have them in my monthly calendar. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just adding them into my weekly spread. And the reason why I kind of went back and forth to see what was on my monthly spread is because I have everything color coordinated by class and by my life. So I had to make sure that the colors matched up. So I'm leaving a lot of space in my weekly spread because throughout the week I want to make sure I have space to put in like homework activities or things that come up throughout the week, because right now it's only January and by the time this comes up it will still be January. So I wanted to make sure that there's enough room to fill in different activities and different homework assignments that I do have throughout the week that is due that week. Here are the things that I used for my bullet journal. I'll link everything that I used down below in the description. And that is it. Please like this video if you guys enjoyed it and click that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.